So you're thinking of moving to Round Rock, Texas. Well, in this video, we're gonna check out a new construction neighborhood in southeast Round Rock called Center 45. These are all Pacesetter townhomes between the $325,000 to $395,000 price range. We're gonna get after it right now. Hey, Daniel here. I get calls and texts every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Round Rock. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Be happy to help you make that smooth move to the Round Rock area. And if this is your first video you've seen of mine, please check out some of my other videos. I have many videos on new construction neighborhoods in Round Rock, vlog videos checking out different homes at different price points, many videos in Georgetown too. So if you're kind of just looking in the North Austin area, highly recommend you check out some of my other videos. And again, always feel free to reach out if you have any questions or you want help kind of finding what's best for you. So where we are starting today, I'm actually in one of their inventory homes. Pacesetter Homes are selling a new construction neighborhood in southeast Round Rock. It's called Center 45. These homes are priced in the low to high 300,000s. Their square footage is between 1,600 to 2,000 square feet, so pretty spacious for brand new homes. And how we're gonna start the video is we're just gonna go through like 3 of the homes. I'm gonna talk about the neighborhood over that. And yeah, so you just kind of get a sense of what's going on in this neighborhood, how it sounds next to being next to a toll road, and maybe if you feel like this is a good fit for you. So let's jump into it. So we're gonna start the video with just showing you some of the model homes, kind of fast paced, so you don't have to sit there for 5 minutes as I wander through homes. And some of the info's on the screen there, so you can get a sense of that. But talking about Center 45 in general and kind of what Pacesetter is offering here. So this area is got a very low tax rate. It's at 1.75%, which is extremely low for this area of Round Rock. The HOA fees here are $200 a month, which is quite high because these are considered condos, but what you're getting for that is all lawn care taken care of, private streets, and your insurance, your monthly insurance payment is going to be much lower, about $50 a month for the home insurance for these homes. So that does offset that cost a little bit. We are feeding into Cedar Ridge High School and C.D. Folks Middle School. And some of the recreation around this area, you have Falcon Point Disc Golf Course, a golf club at Star Ranch. They say Dog Depot Dog Park. I need to check out what that means, if that's a huge dog park. I know for this specific neighborhood, to bring costs down, they don't have a recreation center. They don't have an amenity center. It's just a small dog park near the front. So something to be aware of too is you just have that dog park here. Maybe they're calling that Dog Depot. I'm not sure. Dell Diamond, right? Baseball nearby. Kalahari Resort also nearby, and then Old Settlers Park. There are a lot of parks in this area, so that is a nice thing about where they're located. So talking more about Center 45, as I'm kind of walking around the neighborhood so you can get a sense of kind of what it looks like, what it feels like. The biggest thing is the toll road's right there, right? Which could be an issue to some people. I will say, as the properties get built out, it's going to be less of an issue because they're going to be properties that are blocking that sound. Right now it's just open field. And then also some of these properties, the backyard is facing away from it. So, where I'm standing right now, yes, it is a little bit distracting. But the big thing for me is just the price point of this area is too good to pass up because of that. So the nice thing about the toll road being right there is you don't have to pay to use the access roads. So just getting, west and east, you can just get on the access road, not pay a toll, very easy access and quick access to get over to Highway 130 and I-35. So I would say the placement's pretty good. You can't hear the toll road in the house, and that's the primary thing. The price points for these homes are all in the 300,000s, and I was pretty surprised with the square foot size. So square footage ranges from about 1,600 to 2,000. as a loud concrete truck goes by. So that is surprising. Now, if you're wanting a huge house, like in the 2,400 square foot range, you're gonna have to look more resale. And there are homes, I've helped people with homes in the Round Rock area, in this specific area, in that square foot range. They're just gonna be older. But if you want a big yard, if you want, 4 bedrooms with a large landing and, space is more important to you, I would advise going the resale route as opposed to going the new construction route. Now with this specific neighborhood, as you can see kind of me looking around, it is, they save money by doing things the same. So it's all the same color, right? All blue and white, which I don't mind. I think it looks nice. No sidewalk, right? So if you're walking your dog, you're gonna be walking the street or just walking through people's driveways. And it is kind of a small, secluded neighborhood off of the highway. So it's not like we're connected to other parks or other neighborhoods too. So walking around, you are a little bit restricted in that regard. But the big thing for me with this neighborhood really is the price point. With the size of the homes and with it being brand new, you have the warranty from the builder. They're also offering $10,000 in closing costs as of recording. That may change, as interest rates come down, more buyers hit the market, builders no longer offer incentives. So you're aware. Right now, they're offering $10,000 towards closing costs, which basically pays all of your closing costs. So you just have to worry about your down payment, which is nice. Or if you're not worried about closing costs, you can use that towards a 2-1 buy down rate. And so your interest rate is lower for the first 2 years. So another thing to consider. But yeah, reach out if you're interested in checking out Center 45. I think it's a very unique neighborhood with these townhomes. They're all in groupings of 3 and 4. One building has 3 or 4. So if you want to check any of these properties out, you can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. Be happy to help you kind of navigate the process. There's so many homes in Round Rock, so if you're interested in these, but you want to see what else is out there, I can definitely help you kind of see what all is out there. And yeah, until next time, I hope to show you around Round Rock.